This old barn, she's seen more winters than I can count. My grandfather built her with his own hands. Take care of her now. We've been through a lot, this old car and I. Sie war ein Teil meines Lebens. Passen Sie gut auf sie auf. Auf Wiedersehen.
Keep the tension steady on the winch.
It's clearing the ramp now. Bring it forward slowly. The structural integrity here is completely compromised.
Confirmed. Full panel replacement on the driver's side.
The chassis connection back here is barely holding on. All right, cylinder 3 is holding steady at 95.
That matches the specs. Looks good, Lucas.
Agreed. Let's move on to the next one. This spot here, marker 12, the corrosion goes deep.
Noted. The scan confirms subsurface degradation in this quadrant.
Almost there, Max. Got it. The wiring harness is clear.
We need to make sure these are all accounted for before we send them off.
I already checked the schematic. We're still missing 3 from the engine block.
Got the drum off, watch the fluid.
The wheel cylinder is definitely seized.
And these shoes are completely worn through.
The panel gap looks perfect now, Lucas.
I'm getting a steady 12 volts here.
Just need to smooth this seam out before paint.
As you can see on the thermal overlay, the temperature is holding steady right at 22 degrees Celsius.
That explains the accelerated drying time.
All right, Max, easy now. Keep it steady.
Got it, Lucas. Clear the block.
Watch the solvent splash.
Gap feels right on cylinder 3.
Holding it steady.
Torque set to factory spec.
Try the headlight switch next.
Consistent 12 volts, Lucas.
The solvent really cut through the varnish.
Good. Now, about this wiring harness, I'm showing a fault here.
Are you sure the multimeter is calibrated?
A little more pressure on the bottom left.
Steady now.
It's locked in perfectly. All right, the front left is sitting exactly at 2 degrees negative.
Confirmed here, readout is stable.
And the electrical continuity checks out on this circuit. How are the fuel pressure readings looking, Sophia?
Stable right at 3 bar, Lucas. The blips sound clean.
Timing looks spot on from here.
"70 years, and she is still the most beautiful car in the world. My father would be so proud." When I look at this car, I don't just see metal and leather. I see my youth. Thank you all, truly.